Coaching Center Services. Our coaching center offers both online and offline classes for students from 9th to 12th grade, as well as honors level students, BBA, MBA. We provide coaching under the guidance of experienced teachers from Dhaka University, ensuring special attention is given to smaller batches of 5-10 students. Additionally, special classes are arranged for academically weaker students. Dhaka's EVS Coaching Center is the best online coaching center for students from 9th to 12th grade. Enroll today. We offer high-quality online classes for students in Dhaka, ensuring a superior educational experience. Subject-based coaching enrollment open for 2024. Enrollment is now open for coaching from 9th to 12th grade, including special online coaching for honors level students. Subjects offered include mathematics, English, ICT, accounting, chemistry, physics, higher mathematics, biology, and other subjects under the science, commerce, and humanities streams. Our courses are conducted by skilled and experienced teachers from Dhaka University, and there are also online batches available for remote students. Why enroll in our subject-based coaching? 1. Each batch will have a maximum of 5 to 10 students. 2. Analytical and problem-solving methods are used for each subject. 3. Special classes are arranged for inattentive or weaker students. 4. Each subject is taught with hands-on practice and focused attention. 5. For more details, contact the number below. Note. Private tutoring is also available at home. Contact. *01631404215 # Coaching Center Benefits. Small batch classes for students from 9th to 12th grade. Online coaching for honors level students. Special attention for academically weaker students. Classes conducted by experienced teachers from Dhaka. ******* Class schedule. ****** for 9th and 10th grade. ***** Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Mathematics. 9 a.m. 10:30 a.m. English. 10:45 a.m. 12:15 p.m. Science. 12:30 p.m. 2 p.m. ICT. 2 p.m. 3:30 p.m. for 11th and 12th grade. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Mathematics. 9 a.m. 10:30 a.m. English. 10:45 a.m. 12:15 p.m. Science. 12:30 p.m. 2 p.m. ICT. 2 p.m. 3:30 p.m. for honors level students. Friday, Saturday, and Monday. Mathematics. 5 p.m. 6:30 p.m. English. 6:45 p.m. 8:15 p.m. Other subjects. 8:30 p.m. 10 p.m. ***** Coaching fees. ***** for 9th and 10th grade. **** per subject. 1,500 Bangladeshi takas per month. All subjects, math, English, science and ICT. 5,000 Bangladeshi takas per month for 11th and 12th grade. **** per subject. 2,000 Bangladeshi takas per month. All subjects. 6,000 BDT per month for honors courses. **** per subject. 2,500 Bangladeshi takas per month. All subjects. 7,000 Bangladeshi takas per month. **** Payment methods. ***1. Bcash. ***01921251761. 2. Nagad. ***01635282134. 3. Cash. Pay directly at the coaching center. 4. Private tutor. Fees are determined based on the student's schedule. Contact information. Phone number. *01631404215 Address. Abdullahpur, South Karanaganj, Dhaka 1311, Coaching Center Campus. Special note. 10% discount for weaker or specially gifted students. Each batch will have a maximum of 5-10 students, ensuring personalized attention.